Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs today. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 15 MCQs of 13th of July. But before we begin, quiz. Union government Union government has set a target of road construction worth of 15 lakh crore in how many years? Who has become the first country which has become the first country to allow self-driving cars at low speeds? RBI has joined the central banks and supervisory network for greening the financial system. NGFS. Where is the headquarters of NGFS? Who has been appointed as the chairman of Bajaj Auto? Recently, tons of dead fishes have washed up on the banks of Kwartum Lake on Litani River. This river is located in which river? This Litani River is located in which country? The world's biggest plane ROC with 6 Boeing 747 engines, which completed its second test flights, has been built by which company? Mohammad Nasheed is the former president of which country? Who has been re-elected as the member of International Hockey Federation Athletes Committee? Cheetah is expected to be reintroduced in the country, and it is going to be set up in which national park of Madhya Pradesh? Which state has launched Sanjeevani Pariyojana for quick Medicare home and quick Medicare access at home? So these were some of the quiz questions from the month of May, and let's discuss the answers. So Union government has set a target of constructing 15 lakh crore by 2 years. By 2 years. And which is this country? Britain. Britain has become the first country to allow self-driving cars. Where is the headquarters of Network Greening Financial System? This is headquartered in Paris. In Paris. Neeraj Bajaj is the chairman for Bajaj Auto. And this river is located in Lebanon. World's biggest plane ROC Boeing, and it has been built by Stratolaunch. Mohammad Nasheed is the former president of Maldives. Who has been re-elected as a member? PR Srijesh. PR Srijesh. Cheetah is going to be expected in Kuno National Park. Sanjeevani Pariyojana is a scheme from Haryana government. So these were the current affairs, and let's discuss our today's current affairs. So which company has signed a contract of about 499 crore with the Ministry of Defence for manufacturing and supply of Akash missiles into the Indian Air Force? So this is a company of Bharat Dynamics Limited. Bharat Dynamics Limited has signed this contract of 499, around 500 crore, with the Ministry of Defence for the manufacturing of Akash missiles. And if we talk about Akash missile, it is a surface to air missile. It will be launched from the land, and the target will be on air. It is a surface to air missile. Keshav Dutt, who passed away recently, was associated with hockey. He was related with hockey. And Keshav Dutt is from West Bengal. You can remember this. He is from West Bengal. The first edition of Indo-Pacific Business Summit was organized by which organization in partnership with External Affairs Minister? And who is the External Affairs Minister? S. Jaishankar. He has a tough job in his hand. S. Jaishankar. And so this is CII, Confederation of Indian Industries. Confederation of Indian Industries. And TV Narendran, Narendran, TV Narendran is the chairman for Confederation of Indian Industries, CII. If you talk about FICCI, Uday Shankar is the chairman. Uday Shankar. And ASSOCHAM, Vineet Agarwal. And NASSCOM, Rekha Menon. So you can remember Rekha Menon, chairman for NASSCOM, Vineet Agarwal, chairman for ASSOCHAM, Uday Shankar, the chairman for FICCI, and TV Narendran is the chairman for Confederation of Indian Industries. Which digital neobank has decided to offer unique zero fee bank account to US bound Indian students? So this is Alidro, Alidro. This has been decided to offer unique zero fee bank. Unique zero fee bank. Which bank? Which bank has signed a MOU with Indian Army for offering a defense service salary package under its Power Salute Initiative. So this has been this bank is Axis Bank. Axis Bank has signed a MOU with Indian Army. And Indian Axis Bank headquarters is in Mumbai. Amitabh Chaudhary is the chairman. And Shaurya salary account has been launched by the Bandhan Bank. Shaurya salary account has been launched by Bandhan Bank. You should remember Bandhan Bank. And Bandhan Bank headquartered in Kolkata. Doyen of Ayurveda and managing trustee of Kotkal, Arya Vidyasala, has been passed away recently. What was his real name? So his real name is PK Warrior. He was known as the PK Warrior. A rare sighting of hundreds of endangered seahorses was reported in polluted lagoon in which country? So it has been polluted in Greece. What is the capital of Greece? Athens. Greece capital is Athens. Former Union Minister Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar has inaugurated the virtual India Pavilion at which edition of the Cannes Film Festival? So it was the 74th edition. It was the 74th edition of Cannes Film Festival. A new concentrated solar thermal CST, a new concentrated solar thermal based test rig facility has been established in which of the following city? So it has been established in Hyderabad. Hyderabad under Musi, it is in the bank of Musi River. National Institute of Biomedical Genomics has created a DB Genovoc, which is a database of genomic variation in oral cancer. In which city this National Institute of Biomedical Genomics is located? So it has been located in the West Bengal, in the city Kalyani in West Bengal. It has been located, and Mamata Banerjee is the Chief Minister of West Bengal. Which organization hosted a conference on biodiversity focused on the theme towards 2050, living in harmony with nature. Living in harmony with nature. So this is ASEAN. This is ASEAN, in which 10 countries are there. 10 countries. And headquarter of ASEAN is in Jakarta. In Jakarta, Indonesia. And SAARC headquarter is in Kathmandu. Kathmandu. BRICS is nothing but NDB Bank, and it is based in Shanghai. It is based in Shanghai. And G20 2021 is going to be hosted by Italy. 2022 Indonesia, and 2023 by India. So you can remember this much. Federal Bank has reappointed whom as its MD and CEO for 3 years. So this is Shyam Srinivasan. Shyam Srinivasan has been reappointed as the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, and which is headquartered in Kerala, in Kochi, Kerala. And recently they have launched one saving account for the children below 18 years called Fed First. Government has decided to sell what percent of stake in NMDC Limited via offer for sale. So it is 4%. So government has decided to sell 4% of stake in NMDC. And what is the full form of this NMDC? National Mineral Development Corporation. Which comes under the Ministry of Steel. And who is the Steel Minister? Not Dharmendra Pradhan. Now it is Ramchandra Prasad Singh. Who is the author of the book Pregnancy Bible? This book has been written by Kareena Kapoor. Kareena Kapoor has been written this book, Pregnancy Bible. Which academic program in defense has been launched by Defense Research Development Organization and All India Council for Technical Education? So this is MTech. MTech program in defense has been launched by Defense Research Development Organization, which is based in New Delhi. And G. Satish Reddy is the director of DRDO. And recently they have launched Agni P missile also. Agni P mission, which has been test fired by DRDO. Here in this P means prime. Agni Prime mission. And DRDO has launched DIPCO-1. This has been launched by DRDO. And Python missile has been tested. Python 5 missile has been tested. So these were the current affairs of 13th of July. I will see you on 14th of July.